factory of 273. So 273, it can be written as 3 times 91 mean 273. So 3 times 91 mean 273. So 91, it can be written as 7 times 13. 7 times 13 mean 91. So now we select the prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 3, 7 and 13. So we can write 273 is equal to the product of all these prime numbers, that is 3 times 7 times 13. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.